What time is it now?
12:10.
It is 12:10 p.m. this afternoon. We got the CSX r122-10 eastbound loaded coal train helpers. They just stopped at the ammo tower on track main 2 signal, waiting for the westbound at Lodgeville. Green light signal, waiting for a signal. So we're gonna check out the we're gonna passing by the locomotive real quick when the way turns green light on the traffic light. So go to the indicator, start the video, son. Here we go. This is cool fun, you know. There's a locomotive. Surprise.
There's the stop.
507 and 3195. Awesome. How cool is that, man? Uh-oh. There's a cops coming and approaching, so I have to stop and film in this train though, so without getting caught, without being caught though. So this is Josh Ryan, your local Central and Cyber Wrestling Junior Ram fan, and we are out. Here goes the next video. Roll 'em.